How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, let's talk about on how we can set up the Bambu Lab phone application for your 3D printer. Basically, you can get this from the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on the device that you are using. The name for the Bambu application for your mobile devices is going to be the Bambu Handy by the Shanghai Longkuo Technology. So let's just open up the application and it will take us to the main dashboard of our account. The first thing that you want to do is to click on the Me button below your screen. In this way, we'll be able to set up our account and our printer at the same time. Now, basically from here, you can use something like your Google, your Facebook, and more. And from there, it will then take you back to the application dashboard. The first thing that you want to do is to click on the devices option below your screen. And basically from here, you then want to click on the bind printer option. Once inside, you want to allow the application to take access on your camera. So in this way, it will be able to let you scan your QR code. So just click on the accept button, scan your QR code from your printer, and basically from there, you are good to go. Or you can also click on the nearby devices right here, click on OK, click allow, and you will be able to see all of your available printers on this specific page. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.